Infinix recently announced that the highly anticipated flagship gaming smartphone Note 10 Pro would be available in the Philippines starting August 12th. Priced at 9,990 pesos, it comes with a MediaTek Helio G90T chipset, a 6.95-inch full high-definition display with a 91% screen-to-body ratio, 90Hz refresh rate, and 180Hz touch sampling rate, a 64-megapixel ultra-night shoot rear camera and a 16-megapixel IdeaPad selfie front-facing camera with 2 frontal flashes, a 5,000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charge technology, and 128GB plus 8GB memory.